Alright, well hey guys, it's Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. So our juice of the day consists of one big red delicious apple, 5 carrots cut in half to go through the juicer, and right about a 1/2 inch knob of the ginger root. So we're going to get that juiced up, have some whole wheat muffins, which I made with organic olive oil and such, and this is a great combination. The juice, if you've got a little bit of nausea or a cold, kind of settle things out. The ginger really kicks things up a notch as it dilates the blood vessels, makes you kind of perspire a little bit and cool down. It's just an all-around good, feel-good juice. So I'm going to get juicing and have a midday snack. Well guys, it's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. As always, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.